Chapter 7 Tutorial 2 Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name c07tut2. Start creating the sketch. Select the YZ plane. Say OK. Draw a line of length 22 angle 270. And view make symmetric constraint. Select the line center and the horizontal line. Now using the profile tool, 32 mm angle 0 to a vertical height of 50 mm angle 90. Enter the radius 11 mm angle 180. Now select the fillet tool. Enter radius 5. Select this portion and enter radius 11. Select this point. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select the symmetric value. Enter 6.5 mm value. Say OK. Now hide the sketch. Now we are going to create the cut feature. Create a sketch. In XYZ plane. Select into. Select the bottom one. Create a rectangle using 2 points. Start dimensioning. Edit this dimension to 30 mm. Edit this dimension to 5 mm. Make symmetry these vertical lines along the vertical axis. Now finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select the value from 0 and select through all. Reverse the direction. Select subtract in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now select the hole tool. Enter the hole diameter 8 and specify the point of this arc center as well as the bottom arc center. Say OK. Now create the extruded joint feature. Create the sketch. Select the XZ plane. Draw a circle of diameter 13 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 51 mm. Select unite in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Select the chamfer tool. Distance 1 mm. Angle 45. Select this edge. Say OK. Now create the thread. In the command finder, enter thread. Select the thread command. Select detailed thread. Select the cylinder. Select manual in the input form. Select the major diameter 13 mm and pitch 2 mm. Thread length 35 mm. Say OK. Orient view to trimetry. Save the file. Close all parts. This completes chapter 7 tutorial 2.